Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch 100 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Moto Watch application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Moto Watch application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon right here in the top left corner to open the profile page. On this page you should see the list of my devices, and on the list you should see Moto Watch 100. Tap on it, then tap on reminders and alerts, and here we have two options: app alerts and calls. First, let's tap on the app alerts. And right here we can enable the notifications for the applications. So basically, if you receive the notification from certain application on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch if the notifications are enabled for that application. So to enable this option, tap on the switch. If you see the pop-up about the permissions, tap on yes, because we need to allow the required permissions. It will redirect you to the page, this page basically, device and app notifications. Find the Moto Watch app on the list, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and once you allow the notification access, go back to the Moto Watch app. And now we can enable or disable the notifications. And once you enable them, the option called Manage Apps will appear. You can tap on it and it will open the list of applications, and here you can enable and disable the notifications for specific apps. And like I said before, basically how it works is if you enable the notification for certain app and you receive the notification for that application on your phone, that notification will be also forwarded to your watch. But if you disable the notification for this app, it won't be forwarded, so you will see the notification only on your phone. My bad. Okay, so customize it to your liking, enable or disable the notifications for the apps you like, and once you're done, you can close the app. And at this point, oh no, never mind, don't close the app. Let's go back to the reminders and alerts, because we can also enable the notifications for the calls. So we can tap on the calls option, and here we can enable the notification for incoming call alerts. So basically, if somebody calls you on your phone, your watch will vibrate and it will display on the screen that somebody is calling you, and then also it will display the contact info, so you probably will see who's calling you. You will see the name of the contact or the number. Okay, to enable the option, tap on the switch, and if you see the pop-ups on the screen about the permissions, allow the required permissions. And at this point, it should be working. Okay, so we enabled the notifications for the apps and calls. Now we should be able to receive them, so we can close the app. I'm gonna quickly check if I'm logged into Discord account on my phone right here. I am, so I'm gonna send myself message on Discord, and we should receive the message on our phone and also on our watch. So give me a couple seconds. As you can see, we got it on our phone and also on our watch. If for some reason you don't receive the notification on your watch, make sure to that the application you want to receive the notifications from on your watch is enabled in the app alerts menu. So open this menu right here, tap on Manage Apps, and make sure that the notifications for that app are enabled. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.